Hello and welcome to this online course on how to set up your very own Thinkific site. Now, Thinkific is a learning management system which allows you to completely white label your own online school. You can choose your own domain, connect it to a domain that already exists or a subdomain. You can completely brand it in your own branding. You can add as many courses as you possibly can produce. You can add as many students as you can possibly get inside your courses, and it has a huge amount of features and functions that enable you to run a highly professional online school of your own. And better than that, it's not just for selling online courses. I use my online school to host well over 60 now of my own online courses, run a subscription academy, sell my books, sell my coaching services, and even use it as an onboarding platform for my done for you clients as well. It's incredibly flexible, and it allows you as the course creator and site owner to make it whatever you want it to be for selling your own online courses, digital products, and virtual services too. So we have inside this course every single step that will help you get your Thinkific site up and running fast so that you can go live, launch, and start getting students into your business. It will make your site look professional, have all the functions it needs to run a highly efficient online course business. Ready to go? Let's get started.